Today, we are diving deep into the world of AI, where I'll show you step by step how to create stunning videos from just an image or text. Trust me, by end of this video, you will be making content that looks straight off the Hollywood. What if I told you that you could bring your imagination to life like this with just a prompt? You don't need expensive gear, crazy animation skills, or even a team of experts. The videos you are watching right now were all made from images using really simple prompts. Guess what? I made all of them using Minimax. It's so easy because of the new image to video feature, which is absolutely mind blowing. Minimax is in my opinion the best free AI video generator available right now. And the coolest part is you get these 100 shells per day to create videos. Earlier it was free and unlimited, but due to high demand they are giving only limited shells per daily login. But when you sign up for first time you can generate unlimited videos for 3 days. Yes, that's correct, 3 days. First, let's start with something magical by creating an AI generated image. For this, we'll use LEARNADO AI. Open LEARNADO AI, input a creative prompt, and generate the image. And there it is, a one-of-a-kind image made in seconds by AI. Isn't that mind-blowing? But we are just getting started. This image is about to come to life. Now that we have our masterpiece, let's animate it. We'll use Minimax to transform this image into a captivating video. What's this? Now let's type a prompt to generate the video. Let's type smiling and talking. And boom, in seconds we have an entire video ready to go. How cool is that? And hey, if you're finding this useful, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We got more tricks coming your way. Now let's create a different video. And this time I have selected different image. Let's type talking on the phone and click generate. Do you see how amazing this video is without any distortion and smooth like butter? And that's how you go from an idea to a full-fledged video using AI. Remember, the only limit is your creativity. So what will you create next? Drop your ideas in the comments below and don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends. Let's make this AI revolution together.